Hey guys, it's Brian here with Stokes & Company Restoration, and today we got a phone call from a friend just down the road. We got a Kubota RTV 900 with the power steering, hydraulic dump bed, 4x4 diesel, and it will not run. So first thing we did for this is pull the fuel line off at the fuel tank, take the fuel filter and check it right here. Check it out. We got diesel fuel pouring out. So that means we got no restriction coming from the tank, which is very common on these. So the next thing we did was we pulled it off here at the fuel pump, coming out of the fuel pump up to the injection pump, and we have no diesel fuel coming out here. So my next thing is more than likely I got a bad fuel pump, but I want to test this thing. So here I got me just a quart. I put some diesel fuel in it. This is what I use to pump oil into my lower units on boats, real cheap, inexpensive. I can just pump it up a little bit, real simple. Don't even put a clamp on there, just give it a little pressure on there. You know what I did was I hooked up my remote starter over here to my starter signal wire. Again, Amazon, pretty cheap price. Make sure you got your key turned on so to pull that stop solenoid out of off the injection pump right here, so that way we'll start it. If that's sucked in, it's not gonna start. It's got to be kicked out. Here we go. Empty run. It's running off fuel on here. This is the easy way to test. Your fuel pump got a bad fuel pump. We're going to get us a new fuel pump. We're going to get this thing put back on there. We're going to put a new fuel filter on there, check it over, check fluids, grease it up, and get this thing back going. Thank y'all, and God bless.